Namaskar, I am Dr. B.K. Sinha, Principal, Jagran Public School, Noida. And this presentation is an initiative of the Dainik Jagran Group, India's largest and most widely read Hindi daily. Dainik Jagran has long played an important role in spreading awareness, education, and cultural values across the nation. दैनिक जागरण ने लंबे समय से देश भर में जागरूकता, शिक्षा और सांस्कृतिक मूल्यों के प्रसार में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है. Through such initiative, it continues to connect young minds with India's rich heritage, art and traditions. Welcome to episode 2 of our Speak Make program series, presented under our Great Artist Initiative. In our first episode, we paid tribute to Padam Vibhushan Dr. Tejan Bai, who passed away on 5th July 2026 in Raipur. Her life, voice and art touched generations and will always remain unforgettable. उनका जीवन, स्वर और कला पीढ़ियों को स्पर्श करते रहे और सदैव अविस्मरणीय रहेंगे. This series also reflects our association with Speak Make, the Society for the Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Culture amongst youth. यह श्रृंखला Speak Make अर्थात सोसाइटी फॉर द प्रमोशन ऑफ इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक एंड कल्चर amongst यूथ से हमारे जुड़ाव को भी दर्शाती है. Since 1998, I have been associated with this movement and had the privilege of hosting many concerts during my tenure at DAV Public School, NTPC Dadri. Today, we are delighted to present Mohiniyattam, the classical dance form of Kerala, performed by Padam Shri Shivani Bharti and Dola Ganguly. आज हम केरल के शास्त्रीय नृत्य मोहिनीअट्टम की प्रस्तुति करते हुए प्रसन्न हैं. दिस ग्रेसफुल आर्ट फॉर्म is known for its elegance, softness, and deeply expressive storytelling. Shivani Bharti is a celebrated Mohiniyattam artist known for her expressive abhinay, graceful movement, and commitment to classical dance. शिवानी भारती मैम एक प्रसिद्ध मोहिनीअट्टम कलाकार हैं जो अपनी भावपूर्ण अभिनय शैली, कोमल गतियों और शास्त्रीय नृत्य के प्रति समर्पण के लिए जानी जाती हैं. थ्रू हर परफॉर्मेंसेस शी ब्रिंग्स अलाइव द ब्यूटी एंड डिग्निटी ऑफ दिस टाइमलेस आर्ट फॉर्म. अपनी प्रस्तुतियों के माध्यम से वे इस कलातीत कला की सुंदरता और गरिमा को जीवंत कर देती हैं. डोला गांगुली इज़ एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड टीचर एंड कल्चरल कोलैबोरेटर who supports school productions and classical presentation with dedication and grace. Together, they bring depth, rhythm, and elegance to today's presentation. Mohiniyattam originated in Kerala, the land of temples, traditions, and artistic refinement. मोहिनीअट्टम का उद्गम केरल में हुआ जो मंदिरों, परंपराओं और कलात्मक परिष्कार की भूमि है. द नेम कम्स फ्रॉम मोहिनी, द इंचेंटिंग फॉर्म ऑफ लॉर्ड विष्णु, एंड अट्टम विच मीन्स डांस. यह नाम मोहिनी अर्थात भगवान विष्णु के मोहक रूप और अत्तम अर्थात नृत्य से बना है. ओवर सेंचुरीज दिस डांस इवॉल्व इन टेम्पल एंड रॉयल सेटिंग्स and was later refined by scholars, gurus and performers who preserved its delicate beauty. शताब्दियों में यह नृत्य मंदिरों और राज दरबारों में विकसित हुआ और बाद में विद्वानों, गुरुओं तथा कलाकारों द्वारा परिष्कृत किया गया, जिन्होंने इसकी कोमल सुंदरता को सहेजा. मोहिनीअट्टम की विशेषता इसकी कोमल लास्य शैली है. Its movements are soft and flowing. The body sways gracefully and the expression are subtle yet powerful. Unlike more vigorous dance forms, Mohiniyattam focuses on mood, emotions, and storytelling through controlled movements and refined expression. अन्य अधिक ऊर्जावान नृत्य शैलियों की तुलना में मोहिनीअट्टम में नियंत्रित गति और परिष्कृत अभिव्यक्ति के माध्यम से भाव, अनुभूति और कथा वाचन पर अधिक ध्यान दिया जाता है. Its traditional costumes added to its charm and cream or white kasavu sari with a golden border, simple ornaments and flowers beautifully arranged in the hair. इसकी पारंपरिक वेशभूषा इसकी आकर्षकता को और बढ़ाती है. सुनहरे बॉर्डर वाली क्रीम या सफ़ेद कसाबू साड़ी, सरल आभूषण और बालों में सुंदर ढंग से सजे पुष्प. Every details reflects the elegance and serenity of Kerala's cultural heritage. हर एक विवरण केरल की सांस्कृतिक विरासत की शालीनता और सौम्यता को दर्शाता है. India is blessed with a rich tradition of classical dances. भारतीय शास्त्रीय नृत्य की समृद्ध परंपरा से संपन्न है. The 8 widely recognized classical dance forms are भरतनाट्यम, कथक, कथकली, कुचिपुड़ी, ओडिसी, मोहिनीअट्टम, मणिपुरी and सतैरिया. Kodiyattam, also spelled Kudiyattam, is an ancient Sanskrit theatre traditions form Kerala and one of the oldest living theatrical forms in the world. कुडियाट्टम या कुदियाट्टम केरल की एक प्राचीन संस्कृत नाट्य परंपरा है और विश्व की सबसे पुरानी जीवित नाट्य परंपराओं में से एक है. Each of these dance forms carries its own rhythm, language, costumes and emotional texture. इनमें से प्रत्येक नृत्य रूप अपनी अलग लय, भाषा, वेशभूषा और भावात्मक विशिष्टता लिए हुए हैं. Together, they reflect the extraordinary diversity and unity of Indian culture. मिलकर ये भारतीय संस्कृति के अद्भुत विविधता और एकता को प्रतिबिंबित करते हैं. Among the great exponents of Bharatnatyam are श्रीमती रुक्मणी देवी, अरुणडले, बाला सरस्वती, लीला सैमसन, गीता चंद्रन एंड यामिनी कृष्णमूर्ति. भरतनाट्यम के महान कलाकारों में रुक्मणी देवी, अरुणडेल, बाला सरस्वती, लीला सैमसन, गीता चंद्रन और यामिनी कृष्णमूर्ति शामिल हैं. इन कथक वी रिमेंबर बिरजू महाराज, सितारा देवी, शोभना नारायण एंड सरस्वती सेन. कथक में हम महान बिरजू महाराज, सितारा देवी, शोभना नारायण और सरस्वती सेन को स्मरण करते हैं. कथकली इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय मास्टर्स सच एज कलामंडलम गोपी एंड कटक्की शिवरमन. कुचिपुड़ी इज एसोसिएटेड विथ वेम्पति चिन्ना सत्यम एंड राजा राधा रेड्डी. कुचिपुड़ी वेम्पति चिन्ह सत्यम और राजा राधा रेड्डी से जुड़ी है. ओडिसी is known through the excellence of Kelancharan Mohapatra and माधवी मुदगल. ओडिसी के क्षेत्र में केलुचरण मोहपात्रा और माधवी मुदगल के नाम प्रसिद्ध हैं. इन मोहिनीअट्टम सेलिब्रेटेड नेम्स इंक्लूड्स कलामंडलम, कलाकुट्टी अम्मा, भारती शिवाजी एंड मृणालिनी साराभाई. मोहिनीअट्टम में कलामंडलम, कल्याणी कुट्टी अम्मा, भारतीय शिवाजी एंड मृणालिनी साराभाई जैसे प्रतिष्ठित कलाकारों के नाम उल्लेखनीय हैं. मणिपुरी एंड सतैरिया ऑल्सो कंटिन्यू टू इनरिच इंडियाज क्लासिकल हेरिटेज विद देयर ओन डिस्टिंक्टिव ब्यूटी एंड डिसिप्लिन. मणिपुरी और सत्रिय भी अपनी विशिष्ट सुंदरता और अनुशासन के लिए भारत के शास्त्रीय धरोहर को समृद्ध करते रहते हैं. Along with them, the ancient tradition of Kudiyattam continues to inspire cultural appreciation across generation. इसके साथ साथ प्राचीन कुडियाट्टम परंपरा भी पीढ़ियों को सांस्कृतिक सराहना के लिए प्रेरित करती रहती है। वी प्रेजेंट दीज आर्ट फॉर्म इन स्कूल टू प्रिजर्व कल्चरल हेरिटेज, build discipline, strengthen confidence, and help students appreciate India's rich diversity. हम इन कलाकारों को विद्यालय में इसलिए प्रस्तुत करते हैं ताकि सांस्कृतिक धरोहर सुरक्षित रहे, अनुशासन विकसित हो, आत्मविश्वास बढ़े और विद्यार्थी भारत की समृद्ध विविधता को समझ सके। आर्ट इज नॉट ओनली द परफॉर्मेंस, इट इज़ अ ट्रेडिशन, मेमोरी, आइडेंटिटी एंड इंस्पायरेशन। यह परंपरा, स्मृति, पहचान और प्रेरणा है। नाउ प्लीज एंजॉय द ब्यूटीफुल मोहिनीअट्टम परफॉर्मेंस बाय पद्म श्री शिवानी भारती एंड डोला गांगुली। अब आप पद्मश्री शिवानी भारती और डोला गांगुली द्वारा प्रस्तुत मनमोहक मोहिनीअट्टम का आनंद लें। वी होप
बीच में ना काट के जरा दी
Salute!
ओम स्वस्तिरः इंद्रो बृहस्पतिः स्वस्तिरः पूषा विश्ववेदः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्षरी वरिष्ठदेवी स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पति दधातु। ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयामदेवः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्ट्वागुंसस्तनुभिर्सेते वरितं यदायुः। स्वस्तिना पूषा विश्ववेदः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्षरी वरिष्ठदेवी स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पति दधातु।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today it is an auspicious ceremony of oath taking for the year 2006-2007.
Shri S.N. Gandhi, General Manager of NCPS, Nagari. AGM Shri P. Ramesh ji, DGM Chidambaram ji, and other dignitaries of NTPC Vidyut Nagar. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all on this occasion to be with us. I am very much grateful to Shri Mahajan ji and Shri Gandhi ji for sparing the valuable time despite their busy schedule to grace the occasion. Ever since I have joined the school, I am getting the full cooperation. I personally admire this attitude of NTPC management in this regard. The support which is extended by HR department as and when required is beyond praiseworthy. For this, I am thankful to you all, sir. The school could come up in a short span of time due to your kind cooperation and support. Now we have a fully air-conditioned intra-computer lab where our students are enjoying and learning a lot under the guidance of our newly appointed computer teacher. In the next step of upgradation of the computer lab, I am going to introduce VOD, that is the Video on Demand. It is a multimedia interactive system that allows the user to interfere in the programming that is received from a repository of videos in any moment of transmission. The beauty of the system is that several users can attend different programs concomitantly. In the last month, the school has conducted attention deficit hyperactive disorder and career counseling program for the students of class 6 to 12 by the eminent professional of Vidya Bharati Foundation, Ahmedabad and DCRD, New Delhi. A special session for the parents was also organized by the school, which was applauded by one and all. In the field of academics, the school has also started the second phase of the motivational classes for the students who are lagging behind from class 3rd to 8th in any one of the core subjects. We are running these classes free of charge. The idea behind these classes is to prepare our students to join the mainstream. All will be useless if the students will not understand about their responsibilities. In this regard, for the first time, the school has formed the student council to make the students aware about their responsibilities in the different walks of life. Today, they will be tasked with the different responsibilities which will also help them to face the real and tough situation in their life too. I, as the principal of the school, wish them all the best to enter in this new venture of their life. At last, but not the least, I would like to remind the
Principal DPS, Principal DAV, teachers of DAV and staff members and dear students. First of all, I express my sincere thanks to the organizers for calling us this auspicious function. In the township, we are looking forward for a very healthy and tough competition amongst the schools regarding the excellence of academic as well as extracurricular activities. I am very happy that Principal DAV is taking so many initiatives to see all-round development of the students, and definitely a change is taking place. For good. I will request our HR board to organize various inter-school competitions in the township so that all the corners of excellence can come up and every student can get equal opportunity to show his promises and flourish up to the full extent of potential. With this, I wish best of luck and best of growth of DLE.
Of Cincinnati, I welcome you all this evening to a lecture demonstration on Mohiniyattam. For some of us who may not be familiar with the variety of dance forms that we have in our country, starting from the north, we have Kathak, Manipuri from the northeast, Odissi from Odisha, Bharatanatyam from Tamil Nadu, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh, and Kathakali and Mohiniyattam from Kerala. Kerala, although it is a thin strip of land situated in the southernmost part of our country, and rightfully it is known as God's own country, blessed with a very rich natural surroundings, the lush green paddy fields, the coconut trees, and the seashore, that is the sea surrounding the land. It is in fact perhaps the richest in terms of the dance traditions that Kerala has, particularly the ritualistic dance form, the folk dance form, the semi-classical, classical, recreational, the musical traditions and the temples, and also some of the dance drama traditions in Kerala. What is very interesting is in some of the dance drama traditions, which are very ancient, dating back to 2000 years ago, particularly Kudiyattam or Kathakali or Krishnanattam The Puranic legends, the stories from our Indian mythology, the Puranas like the Ramayana or the Mahabharata, the role of Mohini is very popularly enacted. The role of Mohini meaning the episodes like Vishnu coming in the form of Mohini, when he has to take the form of a beautiful damsel to protect the universe from evil rule, when he has to again take the role of Mohini to save Shiva from the wrath of Bhasmasura. Then there is the instance when Shurpanakha, the feminist, takes the form of Lalita, a beautiful woman, when she wants to enchant Rama or Lakshmana. When there is another instance when Putana, the feminist, comes in the form of a beautiful. So like this, in Indian mythology, there are several instances when the role mission is over, he or she departs to her or her original form. But what is very interesting is this role of Mohini, the role of the enchantress, finds deep expression in Mohiniyattam, meaning the very essence of the feminine mood, the femininity, that is the Lasya and Sringara. These are the two main qualities, the main essence of womanlyhood, the woman. Any graceful woman will be, attributing all this to these two great aspects, that is grace and beauty. And that is what we will find in Mohiniyattam. These two aspects being highlighted and very rhythmic and very aggressive. Mohiniyattam does not have, because the whole body, the sway of the torso from side to side is very characteristic to Mohiniyattam. Or it involves the entire body movement, right from your neck, the shoulder, the sway of the torso from side to side is very important to Mohiniyattam. The golden tree, beneath the golden tree is a golden platform. On the golden platform is another golden platform. On which is spread the silken cloth. On the silken cloth is the holy rice, the akshara, on which is the golden mound. On the golden mound is seated the Ganapati. The ancient spirit god, who is the son of Shiva, and the deity praises the Lord and asks him to open his eyes, to wake up from his sleep and bless the universe. This is followed by invoking Devi Saraswati, the goddess of art, asking her to wake up from her sleep and bless the universe. Ganapati Stuti, which will be performed by Om Ganapati.
Thank you.
baby to sleep, she suddenly finds him jumping up and compares him with the deer, because he jumped like the deer. And then she prays to the Lord Almighty, Lord Padmanabha, to bless the baby with a bright future where he is known all over the world with fame and name. He grows up one day to be a famous king. This is a lullaby, a very popular lullaby of Kerala.
Please watch this special concert, subscribe to our channel and share it among all music and dance lovers. Thank you. Namaskar.